Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Sellvia Honest Review. So Sellvia here is a dropshipping platform and a done-for-you store setup. So the basic dropshipping model is quite simple. You list products in your online store, a customer pays you, then the supplier fulfills the ship and ships the order. And the difference between what you charge and what the product costs plus fees is the margin. Sellvia positions itself as an all-in-one version of that. Store templates, product catalog, and fulfillment they say runs through their own system or warehouses, plus optional extras like marketing tools and like automation. Now, pricing wise here, Sellvia advertises a 14-day free trial and then a $39 a month after the trial here with auto billing unless canceled. And they say you can cancel anytime, though that's the how it works on paper part. Now, the honest part here, what people online actually say. Now, on Trustpilot, Sellvia is currently marked as unavailable because Trustpilot says there was a breach of guidelines. Now, Trustpilot also notes it removed a number of fake reviews for the company. Now, even though the score is unavailable, the page still shows around 163 total reviews and a star distribution that's pretty split, 66% 5-star and 24% 1-star. Now, when complaints show up there, the themes tend to be things like fees feeling confusing or stack, cash flow, withdrawal frustrations, and support delays. While positive posts tend to talk about the platform being convenient once it's set up and support being responsive in some cases. Now, on G2 here, Sellvia looks very strong at a glance, a 4.7 out of 5-star from around 153 reviews, with the breakdown heavily weighing towards the 5-star feedback. But G2 also has detailed negative reviews where people complain about unexpected fees, ad or marketing expectations not matching reality, and checkout flow details they didn't expect. Now, on site Jobber here, it also rated high 4.8 star from around 720 reviews, with a big majority of 5 stars shown on the page. Now, uh, there's the other reality check stores here. So the store is going to be the BBB. Now, Sellvia's BBB complaint page says it's not BBB accredited, and it shows a complaint summary of around 220 complaints in the past 3 years and 117 closed in the last 12 months, with complaints categorized including products or services service issues, sale advertising issues, and billing issues. Now, that doesn't automatically mean avoid, but it does mean a lot of people felt strongly enough to file formal complaints. So it's worth paying attention to what those complaints tend to be about. Now, if you're going to put everything together here, Sellvia is basically trying to remove the hard parts of dropshipping by building the store setup plus the products plus the fulfillment. But the online feedback shows a clear pattern. Now, some store owners love the convenience and structure, while others get frustrated with fees, ad spending returns, and money flow rules that didn't fully expect upfront. They didn't fully expect upfront. Now, if you want, you you can try their services since they do offer a 14-day free trial in this case. But then again, don't forget to cancel the subscription so that you're not auto billed, because again, it's auto billed. But it's still up to you if you really want to use it. It depends on preference. Obviously, there are a lot of people that still like it, around 66% based on Trustpilot here. But then again, a number of people had experienced some negative things inside the website or with their services. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.